Most people get crypto staking wrong by assuming it's complicated or risky, but Staffy offers a unique platform that makes staking secure, flexible, and surprisingly simple. Today, I'm sharing my honest usage experience so you know what to expect. Staffy allows you to stake multiple cryptocurrencies like Ethereum, Polkadot, and Cosmos while receiving liquid staking tokens. This means you still maintain liquidity and can trade or use your staked assets in DeFi platforms. Most people overlook this feature, but it's a game changer if you want both rewards and flexibility. The setup is straightforward. You connect your wallet, choose the asset you want to stake, and the platform generates corresponding R tokens. These tokens track your staked amount and accrue rewards in real time. I found this process intuitive and much faster than traditional staking services. One of the surprising truths about Staffy is its security. Funds remain in your control. You don't hand over private keys. The platform simply facilitates staking and liquidity, reducing the risk of hacks. Most people assume staking always requires trust in a third party, but Staffy minimizes this risk. Rewards vary depending on the crypto you stake. For example, staking Polkadot through Staffy gave me around 10% annual yield, which compounds if you reinvest your R tokens. The interface makes it easy to track rewards and withdraw at any time, so you are never locked in unexpectedly. On the downside, Staffy's interface can feel technical for complete beginners, and some tokens are not supported yet. Additionally, market fluctuations can affect the value of R tokens if you decide to trade them, so it's important to understand the risks. In conclusion, Staffy is an excellent staking platform for anyone looking to earn crypto rewards without losing liquidity. Most people get staking wrong by assuming it's all or nothing, but Staffy proves you can have both security and flexibility. Subscribe for more honest crypto platform reviews so you can make smarter staking and investment decisions.